Hello my rider brothers and sisters, welcome back to Riding in DNA. Again, it's a riding day and in today's ride we are gonna have a lot of fun. We are gonna have this Ninja 400. This brother is riding his Ninja 400. We are gonna have this bike, then the Kawasaki ZX-14R, and brother got a new exhaust. He changed it actually. So we got two exhausts. This bike is freaking fast. Then we got this Kawasaki ZX-10R. This is an older model. This is stage 1. Then we have Kawasaki. Yeah, we have to guess up. Kawasaki Ninja H2 SX. Then we have the Gixxer 1000. This is the 2004 model. Then we got Hayabusa. This is a 2022 model. And then mine Suzuki Gixxer 1000R 2023, as you know. So alright brother, ride safe, you too. Thank you. We are gonna start the ride now. First we have to go to the gas station to get some gas, and then we are gonna hit the highway. Bye bye.
Next time then, no?
Yeah, next time. Yeah, next time. Oh yeah. You wanna hear it? Ah, you like it?
We just finished his party. It's his birthday today.
But happy birthday!
So you guys today. You say I want to have a look, but I say I'll make your day special.
You wanna rev the bike?
You like the
Come here.
Oh, look at you.
But rev very little, okay? Don't rev too much. It's gonna be loud, okay? You like it? Give me a high five. Happy birthday again. We'll get some gas from there and then we are gonna hit the highway. I do not need much gas. Okay, let's guess. Probably $5. Comment below. Let's see if you can guess it correct. It's 7.59.
That sounds so nice, man.
Thank you, brother. So it's like a loop. So ultimately we are gonna come back here.
Okay.
So just in case, like you get separated, just in case you get separated, be sure that we are gonna come back here.
Oh, that's a big ahead.
Yeah,
Oh.
probably that's not gonna happen. But I'm just saying, like worst case scenario, if you just get separated.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Okay. All right, brother. Let's go.
Man, ride safe, huh?
Yeah, you too, brother. Let's go. That's the almighty Pusa. down because of this turn. No, that's not the right place, brother. ZX14R, I have to start right at the moment when he does. If I'm a little bit late, I'm lost. It got so much of torque, man, that bike is like torque king. It has so much of torque, it pulls right away. And this bike pulls on the high RPM. His brother on his Ninja 400, man, he's killing it. He's an amazing rider. He's an awesome rider. His 400 has aftermarket Rio Vinci exhaust, I think, and it is fully tuned. That light is so bright, man. As I was saying earlier, that Ninja 400 is tuned, and that rider, he kills the bike. He rides it really well. He takes this bike to its absolute limit. Let's go! Are you Okay, we are gonna go straight. got separated. Few riders went that side. I don't know why. We are back to the highway. As I was saying, I have to pull at the right moment, otherwise Jixer cannot win this race. Now that one cannot beat Jixer. So whenever I raced before, my bike was never within the proper power range. So that's why it always pulled late and I used to lose the races. But this time I understood. It's all about the game of power band. I understood where the power band is. So I'm kind of like new to this bike, right? So I'm gradually understanding how this bike is.
Those guys go.
Huh? I don't know, man. I was about to hit his bike. So we had a nice run today, and look at these amazing bikes. Yeah. The Suzuki Hayabusa, the Busa Killer, and mine Suzuki Gixxer 1000R. So we are waiting for the signal to become green, and I learned something new today about this bike. That's the power band. So the power band is between 8 to 10,000 RPM. This bike pulls like crazy between those RPMs. What an amazing ride. I hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Anyways, my rider brothers and sisters, always ride within your limits. Never cross the limit. Then it becomes dangerous. So, thanks my rider brothers and sisters for watching the video. And as I always say, take very good care of your motorcycle. Take very good care of your health. And always remember, enjoy the freedom till the time you have it. Take care and bye-bye.